Imagine someone tells you, there's a glacier so dangerous. Scientists literally call it the Doomsday Glacier. Sounds like the final boss of Earth, the thing that's going to destroy civilization. And for years, that's exactly how scientists treated it. A massive glacier, rapidly melting, rising sea levels, end of story. But then, they sent robots somewhere humans had never seen before. Not onto Antarctica, under it. And what they discovered completely changed the story. Because the glacier wasn't simply melting, it was revealing something that made scientists rethink Antarctica itself. And here's the terrifying part. The glacier might not be the real danger. It might actually be the warning. Because maybe the Doomsday Glacier isn't Earth's biggest problem. Maybe we are. Most people imagine Antarctica as one giant frozen continent, a thick layer of ice sitting safely on solid land. Simple. Except, that's not how it works. Huge parts of West Antarctica actually sit below sea level. Imagine putting a giant ice cube inside a bowl. Now slowly pour water underneath it. The water never touches the top, but it quietly melts the ice from below. That's exactly what's happening. Ocean water is slipping underneath Antarctica's ice sheet. Not boiling water, only about 1 degree Celsius. Sounds freezing, but ice melts at 0. 1 degree is enough. No explosions, no giant cracks, no dramatic warning signs. Just warm water, slowly, patiently, eating away at the glacier from underneath. Scientists expected the surface to be the problem. Instead, the real battle was hidden hundreds of meters below the ice. Satellites couldn't see it. Humans couldn't reach it. So scientists built a robot, and honestly, what it found looked like another planet. The robot is called Icefin. Imagine drilling through hundreds of meters of solid ice, then lowering a robotic submarine into complete darkness. No sunlight, no GPS, no humans, just freezing black water. Scientists expected the bottom of the glacier to be smooth. Instead, Icefin found enormous frozen valleys, towering ridges, deep cracks stretching into darkness. The underside of Antarctica looked like an upside-down mountain range. Then came the real surprise. Warm ocean water wasn't melting the glacier evenly. It was getting trapped inside those hidden cracks, almost like tiny invisible ovens, melting certain areas much faster than anyone expected. Then scientists found something even stranger. Massive underwater whirlpools, some nearly 100 kilometers wide. Think underwater hurricanes. These spinning currents quietly push warmer water directly beneath the glacier. From above, everything still looks frozen, calm, silent. But underneath, the glacier is slowly losing its foundation, like termites hollowing out a wooden house. You don't notice the damage until the floor suddenly gives way. And that's when scientists realized this wasn't just about melting ice anymore. The ocean floor was hiding an even bigger secret. Researchers started mapping the seabed beneath the glacier. They weren't looking for history, but history was waiting for them. Across the ocean floor, they found long parallel ridges, almost like giant fingerprints carved into the earth. Each ridge marked a place where the glacier had once stopped, thousands of years ago. By measuring the distance between them, scientists reconstructed Antarctica's past, and what they discovered shocked them. Long before factories, long before cars, long before humans changed the climate, this glacier had already collapsed. In fact, at one point, it retreated almost twice as fast as it does today. Wait, if Antarctica survived that before, why are scientists so worried now? Because there's another part to the story. After retreating, the glacier slowly grew back. It took thousands of years, but it recovered, which means something incredible. Earth has survived dramatic changes like this before. The planet wasn't destroyed. Antarctica wasn't destroyed. Life continued. So maybe the real question isn't, can Antarctica survive? Maybe the question is, can human civilization? And that's the twist almost nobody talks about. Scientists didn't discover a monster beneath Antarctica. They discovered a mirror. Think about it. Nature doesn't know what New York is, or Mumbai, or Shanghai. It doesn't care where humans built cities. For billions of years, Earth has been changing. Ice ages came and went. Sea levels rose. Sea levels fell. Entire continents moved. Species appeared and disappeared. That's normal. What's unusual is us. Human civilization was built during one of the most stable climate periods Earth has ever experienced. Stable coastlines, predictable weather, reliable oceans. We built ports, roads, cities, entire countries. assuming those conditions would last forever. But Earth never promised that. The glacier isn't exposing Earth's weakness, it's exposing ours. That's why scientists are obsessed with every crack, every ocean current, every tiny movement beneath Antarctica, because they're no longer just studying ice, they're studying the future of civilization. And suddenly, the name Doomsday Glacier doesn't sound quite right anymore. Think about the warning light in your car. When it suddenly turns on, you don't blame the light. The light didn't create the problem, it simply revealed it. Maybe Antarctica is exactly the same. The glacier isn't trying to destroy humanity. It isn't evil. It's simply showing us something we desperately needed to see. Earth isn't fragile. It survived asteroid impacts, supervolcanoes, ice ages, mass extinctions. It will survive long after we're gone. The real question is whether our civilization survives unchanged. Because cities can move, borders can shift, millions of people can migrate. History has shown that civilizations either adapt or disappear. Maybe calling it the Doomsday Glacier completely misses the point. Maybe it's Earth's earliest warning system, the first place on the planet telling us that the stable world we built our civilization on is beginning to change. And warnings don't exist to scare you. They exist to give you time to understand, time to prepare, time to act. So maybe scientists weren't terrified because of what they found beneath Antarctica. Maybe they were terrified because they finally understood what Antarctica had been trying to tell humanity all along, and that leaves one unsettling question. If the biggest threat wasn't hidden beneath Antarctica, but hidden inside humanity's assumption that Earth would always stay the same, what other disasters are actually warnings we've completely misunderstood?